Hi friends, this is my HP laptop and I'm going to upgrade my laptop. I want to change the hard drive, normal hard drive, and I want to install new one SSD hard drive that I can get more speed and good gaming performance. Even I'll put one more DDR4 RAM. So right now I have 8 GB RAM. So one more I will install 8 GB RAM. So I'll get totally 16 GB RAM. So I'm going to remove this normal hard drive and connect the new one, SSD one. So be careful while removing this hard drive, so you should not get damaged. Just pull it out and just disconnect the connection. And so here it comes, Samsung SSD hard drive. So I'm going to connect this. There's a lock over here. You have to first be careful while connecting. You can clearly see this video and you'll get more ideas. So here it comes. Let me connect to this motherboard, and after installation you will enjoy the speed. Really, the speed is awesome. So here it comes. Yeah, that's it. I have installed SSD hard drive. So let me install now one more DDR4 RAM for more gaming performance. So here it comes. I'm just installing DDR4 RAM. That's it. So your laptop now got into brand new one. So that's it. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel for more tech videos. Thank you.